Let me tell you about the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees and the moon up above and a thing called love.
Once upon a time, there was a bird and there was a bee. The bird's name was Jill and the bee's name was Jack. They were in love with each other. One day, they went up a hill to go fetch a pail of water. And as you know, Jack fell down and he broke his crown. And of course, Jill came tumbling after. But the story does not end here. Jack was in terrible pain after breaking his crown, which made him all the more frustrated with Jill. You see, he thought that she had pushed him on purpose, but at the same time, she thought that he had pushed her. Needless to say, they weren't very happy with each other. Then, Dr. Phil walked by and said, "Hey, you two need some of my world-famous counseling. Here, read this book." They took the book and started looking at it. "Can you read?" "No." "Can you?" "No." Dr. Phil said to himself, "Now with them distracted, I can complete my plans." Mwahahahahahaha. You see, Dr. Phil was the one who did the pushing. He pushed Jill into Jack, thus starting the falling and the tumbling right after. Turns out he just wanted the water pail they had so he could add it to his collection of stolen water pails. What a jerk. It was in that moment that Dr. Phil got what he deserved. Oprah popped out of the well and freaked everyone out.
Hello, everybody. I'm Oprah Winfrey.
Man, that was scary. So scary, in fact, Dr. Phil lost his footing and tripped on a duck. Anyways, Dr. Phil fell down the hill, causing Jack and Jill to have a big thrill because of his spill? Whatever. All this to say, Jack and Jill couldn't remember what they were mad about. Boy, that Dr. Phil really knows how to fix relationships. Yeah, I love you, Jack. I love you, Jill. And we love you, Oprah.
And I love you, too. Hey, I got my own talk show. It's on at 4.
Anyways, the bird and the bee and Oprah Winfrey lived happily in a life of glee. The end.
Let me tell you about the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees.